Hello, my friends. Mason here, from Wealthy and Well. I hope this video finds you in good health and high spirits. Today we're going to delve into a topic that's close to my heart, and I believe relevant to all of us. We're going to talk about those times when one area of life needs more attention than the others. Life, as we know it, is a delicate balance. It's like a finely tuned orchestra where each instrument plays its part to create a harmonious symphony. But what happens when one instrument is out of tune? The entire symphony is affected. Similarly, in life, when one area demands more attention, it can throw the rest of our life out of balance. Perhaps it's a demanding job that's eating into your family time, or a health issue that's taking a toll on your mental peace. Maybe it's a relationship that's draining your energy, or a financial crisis that's causing sleepless nights. Whatever it is, when one area of life becomes overwhelming, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. But remember, my friends, life is not a race, it's a journey. And on this journey, it's okay to pause, to reassess, to recalibrate. It's okay to give more attention to that one area that needs it without feeling guilty or overwhelmed. Because when we address the imbalance, we're not just fixing a problem, we're restoring harmony to our lives. So how do we do this? By being mindful, by being present, by being patient. By understanding that it's okay to slow down, to take a step back, to focus on what truly matters. By realizing that our worth is not defined by how much we achieve, but by how much we grow, how much we learn, how much we love. Before we wrap up, if you found value in this video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me continue to create content that can make a difference in your lives. In conclusion, my friends, remember that life is a beautiful, complex, ever-changing symphony. And sometimes it's okay to focus on that one instrument that's out of tune. Because when we do, we're not just creating a better melody, we're creating a better life. So here's to living wealthy and well, in every sense of the word. Until next time, take care and keep striving for balance and harmony in your lives.